Math Solution, and Abdul Rafi is here for you to another video, which is for the topic today for rounding of data. You see, we need data, certified data for for values we want, current values we want. If the data is not accurate or about what we figuring out, we cannot make that. I mean, if I have a number like this, 1 2 3, or if I say 120, I just say I'm going to make my suppose I'm an athlete and I want to one I used to run 100 meter, but this time I'm going to run 123 meter. So is that possible for a guy or a buddy or a listener who's notifying 123 meter, or is it good for enough to listen that 120 meter? So rounding of data is very good for when you are going to talk about exact value, exact figures in businesses, in offices, or in form from financial values. We need a certified value for going on for the rounding of data. For that we are making it for all about. So what we are thinking is how to make our value complete about what we are figuring for. Okay, so all about this for the rounding of data. It is used as exactly numbers or figures what we want. Simply the rounding of data means that exact numbers we want or exact figure we want. Okay, I'm starting this with a number of 93 today. This is a one question I'm arising, 93. So I'm going to use this number as aspect of my about value. I use nearest to 10 because there is a two numbers given. So one is for unit and one is with the 10. Okay, so if I want to make my numbers about what I expecting, so what I have to do, I have to go for the nearest to the 10. Okay, you see here 393. The number is 93, and 3 is a unit in the section comes. Okay, and the 9 is in the 10 section come. Okay, when we are going to round off the data regarding regarding two numbers, one is from unit, one is for 10, what we do, we use that unit number. If unit number, okay, unit number, if it's below then 5, we shift backward for it. Okay, I want an accurate value 93. Okay, but I want to know, let the people know about where I'm about to. So should I go for 90 or should I go for 100? What I let them know about. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm taking out the exact figure for making understand for my next viewers or people around me that what I'm thinking. Okay, so how are we gonna round off unit section? We're gonna round off unit section when you're going to put the nearest to the 10 unit section. If the unit section is below than 5, the number in the unit section is below than 5, we shift backward for it. If unit section exactly the 5, or more than 5, we move from the forward. Okay, remember it. If the number is in unit section, it's less than 5, we shift backward. If the number is in unit section is exactly 5 or more than 5, we go for the forwards. We move for the forward. Okay, so all we're gonna do with the 93. Okay, 3 is less than 5, you can see that, so we will shift backward for my about value. If I want to let them know what will be my next value or where I'm standing, that will be 90. It could be like I'm going for a ride which is 93 meter. Is it accurate? Or I should say it is I'm going for a ride which is 90 meter long. Okay, so that is all about for today's section. How are we gonna rounding of data? Data could be a very much big, data could be very much small, but today what we have for nearest to the 10, I'm talking about the nearest to the 10. Okay,